everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. So hello my loves, today is all about July favorites. What products have I been loving all of July? And of course I have this natural glowy makeup look on the go today. I did a get ready with me. I will leave the link right here. All the products that I used in that video I'm going to be talking about in this video and a few other products. And I just love an easy, glowy, natural summer look for the summer, especially when it gets really super hot out here and it gets really muggy and I just don't want to put on a full face of makeup. Like I wear the YSL All Hours Full Coverage Matte Foundation in the shade BR10. Yes, I do say that in my sleep. Love that foundation so much, but when it's super muggy out, I don't, because I sweat and I just feel like it's so super heavy on my face. So I love to have just a natural makeup glow, makeup goodness, makeup natural goodness, and that is what I have on the go today. So I'm going to be talking about the products. Check that video out. Also let me know what products do you use to have that nice natural glowy skin. Let me know in the comments down below, and also let me know what has been your favorite July products. So for me, for a glowy skin, is all about skincare products right here. And of course, this is the Drunk Elephant Protini. Love this stuff. So what I do is I take 2 pumps of this, and then I got this sample from Sephora, and I've had this now for quite some time. And I take just a little tiny small dip in, and then I mix it in with the Protini. First, I do 1 pump of the Protini, then I mix this little tiny dot in, and then it's a little bit too dark, so I go ahead and mix another pump of the Protini, and then it gives it the perfect glow. When I seen this swatched on hand in store, it like actually made your hand go tan, and I'm like, okay, I just want to have natural glowy skin. I don't really want to look tan, because as you can tell, I don't tan. So I think that would look kind of funny if my face was totally tan and my arms weren't. But when you find the right amount that works perfect for you and your skin, then you're good to go. So I love this, and I just love, like I said in that video, I love embracing my freckles. I love this stuff. So when this is all gone, I'm definitely going to be purchasing the full size, and then just give my skin an extra bit of glow. This here is the Becca liquid highlighter in Moonstone, and I just take that and apply it to my cheekbones, and sometimes I'll even mix it in with this if I want to be really glowy and sparkly. But I love how it mixes really well with Drunk Elephant products. All in all, great products. Love them, and I just love the glowiness that it gives to my skin, and of course it's great skincare all at the same time. My heart skips a beat when I look at this palette. When I say the name, I'm just obsessed. Like, I'm obsessed with this palette. This is the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow palette, and I'm in love with this palette. I did a Sephora haul, talked about it, used it before I did the haul, used it in my get ready with me. I just love this palette. I'm not gonna lie, at first when I first seen it online, when it first came out, I was really afraid of the red cream blush that's right here. I was really afraid of that because where I'm so fair, and I will show you guys again, like when you swatch it, it looks so super dark, and then when you go ahead and apply it, it just blends out so pretty, and it gives your skin that beautiful warm glowy tone. I mean, you could go in a couple of times and build that up as much as you want to, but don't be afraid of it. I think it'll look beautiful on everyone's skin tone. I'm after saying that in my past video, because I think it will, because it's so beautiful. So don't be afraid of it. Another thing that I like about this is that it has that little plastic cover over it, because these are 2 powder products and these are 2 cream products, and of course you don't want to mix the powders in with the cream. And I'm not gonna lie, I was never a fan of cream products until I swatched this in store, and when I did, I just fell in love with the texture of it. It's very like, when you swatch it on your hand and when you're blending it out, it becomes really super silky. That's how I would describe it. It is so, so beautiful. I have the blush and I have these two powder products on my face today, and I just think it gives you the right amount of warmth to your face. But like I said, you could easily build that blush up, and I think that's going to be great for me for the fall to do, like, you know, really rosy looking cheeks. All in all, I love this palette. If you guys have this palette, let me know in the comments down below. Do you have as much love for it as I do? And for mascara and mascara primer, it's by Marc Jacobs. I love these two products. This is the Velvet Noir Primer and the Velvet Noir Mascara. Beautiful. It gives your lashes like the fall slash look without wearing lashes. But when I do wear lashes, I love Lashes by Kiss. I absolutely do. These here are the blowout lashes, and they're in the style Pixie, which is number 2. And the band on these are so comfortable. This is like the second pack I'm after purchasing. I have like multiple different styles of Kiss lashes. Gala is more dramatic. So when you're doing a dramatic eye look, they are beautiful for that. These ones here, when I want to have just say a little extra oomph, like if I'm going out with the girls for dinner and I just want to have a natural makeup look, I do a little bit of a wing liner, which I will talk about that in a minute. And then I pop on these lashes, and then I just feel like it's a nice natural look, but it's not like over dramatic with the lashes. These are beautiful. You can pick them up at your local Walmart. These are like $12 and change, and you're getting 4 sets. Come on now, Nicole. But anyways, really inexpensive, great quality, and the lash band on these are super comfortable as well, and they're not heavy on the lashes. I definitely recommend, if you haven't tried Kiss lashes before, you got to, because they are beautiful. So for wing liner, I've been using this in a lot of eye looks that I've been doing all of July, and even when I'm going out, this is the wing liner I just grabbed for, and I absolutely love it. At first I was like, I don't know about this. Is this a gimmick? I don't know. But anyways, it is by Rimmel London, and it's the Wonder Wing eyeliner. Of course, it's in the shade black. And as you can tell, it's like a triangle shape, and it's a stamp. So on this side right here, it's flat. So you go ahead and you stamp just like that. Then you take this tip, which I have to say the tip of it is very like sharp. It's very stiff as well. And then you take it and then you just fill it in, right? Well, I mean, that's not the greatest example ever because I'm not looking at it, but it just connects it so well. And it is so pigmented, as you could tell here from the swatch. And it just makes it really easy to just like take it and stamp it and then fill it in. It makes the perfect wing liner, because I haven't done a wing liner in such a long time. And then recently I just wanted to get back into it. And then when I did, I could not stop using this. Like I could not stop. Like I just wanted to use it more and more because it was so easy. Because I'm not gonna lie, I do have a hard time sometimes making the perfect wing, and I find that this stamp really helps it. And like I said, it's super pigmented, really inexpensive. It was under $10, so not very expensive at all. If you do see this into your local Walmart, pick it up, test it out. If you have difficulty with doing a wing liner, test it out, see how you like it. But like I said, you just pop it on, stamp it on. But it is a very sharp and stiff tip, but it also makes the wing very precise as well. So I have a feeling that's why it is like that. All in all, a fantastic liner. So next up is for my brows. This is what I've been using. Love this. It is so easy to do my brows because I just don't really care for my brows anymore. I don't put a whole lot of effort into my brows. This here is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's the dipbrow gel. This is in the shade taupe. Love this. This is just a little mini because I wanted to try the mini one out first, and I just brush it into my brows and away I go. That's it. And that's what I like, because I just don't like, I don't put a lot of effort into my brows anymore. It's unfortunate. I kind of neglect them, but I really love this product. It stays in my brows all day, and once it dries, it's like perfect. It just stays there. It does not budge. So I definitely recommend this. If you haven't tried it out yet, you definitely should. And my last two products are my go-to lipsticks for all of July, have been by MAC and Wet n Wild. High end, low end. Love these two together. This is what I actually have on my lips today. And this here is by MAC Cosmetics, and it's the Disney Aladdin collection, A Friend Like Me, or Friend Like Me. Sorry, it's this beautiful nude cream lipstick. Love it. Gorgeous. Glides on so beautiful onto the lips. And it's just all around a beautiful, beautiful nude shade. So what I do is I go ahead and apply that, and then I take the Wet n Wild Megalast Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick in Flirt Alert. I always gotta look at the name of that because I always forget it. But anyways, I just take that and I pop it into the center of my lips. And I just find these two work so well together. They are so beautiful. I will say this again, I will have to get a backup because once this is gone, I will be so, so sad. And it is a cream, what is this? Amplified cream lipstick. The writing, that's the only downfall about MAC lipsticks, is that the writing on the bottom of these are so, so tiny. And especially where it's clear and then it's gold, it makes it even harder to see. But love this. So super comfortable. If you want that gorgeous, like this beautiful nudie kind of with a hint of pink, but it's not too nude, you definitely need to pick this lipstick up. It is beautiful. And of course the packaging too. And this here with it is beautiful. Love these two products. So you guys, that's it for my July favorites. Let me know in the comments down below what has been your favorite products all of July. Also, let me know if any of the products that I talked about today, are they your favorites too? I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!